Okay, so let's get started with the makhni gravy. Here I have a pot, and first and foremost, anytime you start cooking Indian food, of course, generous amount of ghee. So I'm putting here 4 teaspoons of desi ghee, and I reckon it's made of cow's milk. Okay, once the ghee is hot, we're going to temper this ghee with a bay leaf, 2 cloves, a little cinnamon stick, and 2 pieces of cardamom. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, since we are making makhni gravy, the color is red, and that is why we won't be using any turmeric powder or just a little bit of coriander powder and cumin powder, but there is no turmeric powder. So as the ginger garlic cooks, and there is no use of onion, there's some people they advise that you should put onion paste, but we are not using any onion paste. With this paste of makhni, you can make paneer tikka masala and chicken tikka masala, chicken makhni, murg makhni, paneer makhni, to the extent of vegetable makhni. So let's cook off the ginger garlic paste. So the ginger garlic paste has been cooking for a while now. Just be careful that it doesn't catch in the bottom, or it just doesn't start burning in the bottom or on the sides of the pan. And then every now and then you need to add a little water. So this is nearly done. To this I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, canned cumin powder, and some coriander powder. And again, after you add the powdered masalas, you have to be careful that the masalas they don't burn. At this stage you can add a little bit of water to prevent the masalas from burning. And keep on cooking the masalas until it has got that raw masala smell. Until that raw masala smell is gone. Since we have a little bit of masalas, it won't take time, maybe a minute or so. So the masalas has been cooking for a while now, and that raw masala smell is gone. The oil is almost on top. To this I'm going to add fine paste of almonds, about like 20 grams of almonds. They were soaked in water, skinned, soaked in water, and turned into fine paste. Now the idea is to cook off the almond paste. Again, be careful that it doesn't burn the almond. The reason for putting almond paste is going to thicken the gravy. All the restaurant style or in hotels that you go and eat all the Indian food with thick gravies, this is the base, the almond. It gives body and it thickens the gravy as well. I'm just adding a little water to prevent it from burning, and we keep on cooking the almond paste for about 4 or 5 minutes until that it's a raw smell. You get a raw smell of almond, so until the raw smell is gone. So the almond paste has been cooking for a while. Again, just be careful so that it doesn't catch in the bottom. So the gravy is almost done. The basic preparation of the gravy is almost done. To this we are going to add some water. And you can use, at this point you can use tomato paste. I'm using tomato paste, but you can use tomato puree, you can use freshly pureed tomatoes at home. I'm using about 1.5 tablespoon of tomato paste. Tomato paste is also give it color, and it's also going to give color and as well the body of this final gravy. So we are nearly done. I'm going to put some more water. You can add salt at this time or even before. I'm using sea salt, and at this point we are going to lower the flame and cook it off about like for 10 minutes. We're going to cover and cook for about 10 minutes.